Efficient yet quiet, 380 CFM, 3-speed fan, single centrifugal motor. Cosmo's vent hood quickly ventilates your kitchen without the noise of competing range hoods. Carbon filter kit for ductless operations sold separately, part number CFK1 trademark, superior filtration. Cosmo ARC-FLOW Permanent Filters are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. No need to replace these filters, simply drop in the dishwasher for easy maintenance and cost savings. Duct length 72-inch, built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost of care. Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health. Energy-saving lights. Range hood features 2-watt LED bulbs that are long-lasting and provide bright, high-lumen lighting for better visibility while cooking. 5-year limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Product dimensions: 35.2 W x 23.6 D x adjustable.